So hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to enable smart split in Vivo phone, and guys how it's work in Vivo phone I will also show you. So guys, before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys click on shortcut and accessibility. Guys click on smart split, then guys you see enable screen split tab, and guys on it, slide up with three finger to split screen. Guys it's showing how it's work, we will have to do the same. So guys, now guys first of all guys we will own any app, like example for YouTube. So guys you use three finger, and guys so guys now then guys you can use to setting with this phone guys. So I we will on this also this setting. So I screen split it does not support on this setting, only YouTube guys, and one more app. So guys use it, then guys app, then guys you can open any app. Now example for guys we will take Google. So you can see guys I can use this Google while I will have to on guys, then guys YouTube. So I two screen guys I can use in my phone. So I think friends we have understood how to on, how to enable, and my you can say on smart split in Vivo phone. So I think friends we have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please